Listen and practice English.
Excuse me, do you know why the bank is closed today?
Yes, there's a computer problem inside.
Oh, really? I needed to deposit some money.
Many people came here for the same reason.
How long has it been closed?
Since early this morning.
That must be frustrating for the staff.
Yes, they are trying to fix everything.
I also need to pay a bill today.
The manager said the system should be back soon.
I hope so.
Are you in a hurry?
A little. I have to go to work later.
I understand. I took time off just to come here.
Well, at least the weather is nice.
That's true. Waiting outside is not too bad. Good news! The system is working again.
That's great.
The doors are opening now.
Perfect. We can finally go inside.
Good luck with your banking.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me, are you okay?
Yes, I am okay, but my car is not.
That looks serious. What happened?
I heard a loud noise and then the tire came off.
Were you driving fast?
No, thankfully I was driving slowly.
That is lucky. You could have been hurt.
I know, I am still a little shocked.
Do you need any help?
I am not sure what to do next.
Have you called roadside assistance?
Not yet. My phone battery is almost dead.
You can use my phone if you want.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem. Safety comes first.
I was actually on my way to an important meeting.
That meeting can wait. Your safety is more important.
You are right.
Is anyone else in the car?
No, I am traveling alone today.
That is good. At least nobody was injured.
Yes, things could have been much worse.
The assistance truck should arrive soon.
Thank you for stopping and helping me.
Anyone would do the same.
Not everyone. You are very kind.
Look, I think the roadside assistance truck is coming.
Oh yes, I can see it now. Thank you again for your kindness.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Why are you looking at your phone and smiling?
I found an old photo of us.
Really? Show me.
Look at our hair in this picture.
Oh, wow, my hair looks so funny.
Mine looks funny too.
We looked very different.
Yes, but we looked very happy.
This was our first trip together.
Yes, I remember it.
We got lost many times.
That is true.
And you did not ask anyone for help.
I thought I knew the way.
But you were wrong.
Yes, I was.
We had a lot of fun on that trip.
Yes, it was a great trip.
We should go on another trip soon.
That is a good idea.
We can take new photos.
Yes, and this time we will not get lost.
I hope so.
Me too.
Hello, I came to see the new house today.
Welcome. I am happy to show it to you.
The outside looks very beautiful already.
Thank you. This house was built last year.
Is the neighborhood quiet at night?
Yes, it is a very peaceful area for families.
That is exactly what I'm looking for.
Please come inside and look around.
Wow, the living room is bigger than I expected.
It also gets a lot of natural sunlight.
I really like these large windows.
Many buyers love that part of the house.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
That sounds perfect for me and my family.
The kitchen was recently updated too.
I can already imagine cooking here every day.
Would you like to see the backyard also?
Yes, of course.
There is enough space for a small garden.
Oh, I always wanted a garden at home.
Then this house may be perfect for you.
I think I'm starting to fall in love with it.
Take your time and think carefully before deciding.